Hello and welcome to Simuvision. Today we will be making a DIY Buttkicker using this old subwoofer. In this particular subwoofer we have this woofer speaker in the bottom of the box. So we will take it out. It might differ with your subwoofer. So take the speaker out, you just unscrew all the screws and carefully take the speaker out. Make sure you are not shortening it. So the best thing is to keep it switched off for a long time. Now this is the speaker we'll be using. This is the magnet of the speaker, and we will use the speaker as is. We will make no changes to it. Some of them they do changes. Now these are the speaker wires. Make sure you remember the polarity of these, and this is the main circuit of the board, and we will cover it up. Now secondly, we need a long speaker wire. You can take any speaker wire, but make sure that it's long enough for you to connect the subwoofer speaker to mount wherever you want it to put. The best way is to just sweep it through this particular hole on the speaker, and so that we are not drilling new hole. And we will connect this with the wires. Now I could also solder it up, but what I'm interested is probably in near future, if I want the speaker, I can always put it back. Now most importantly, take a multimeter, put it on to continuity tester with beep, and we will be checking the continuity of the wire. Now this wire is connected, but this wire is not. That means this wire is actually the wire which I connected here with this. Now this is very important, so to understand the polarity of the speaker wire. So we will identify it like just by putting a tape. These two wires are same. Now we'll continue ahead and wire the other wire on this. We're going to secure both the wires with the electric tape. Make sure that they are not touching, otherwise they will cause a short circuit on your speaker. Once the wires are secured, we're going to safely put it inside the box. Now this is the cardboard I found, and I'm gonna unscrew these legs, and we're gonna place the cardboard on top of it. We'll put the same screws to secure the cardboard at the bottom. Once that's done, we will see the box is ready. The only thing is, now it's time to solder. Now if you remember the wires, we identified the wires for their polarity. In this woofer, I had one connection a little wider, the other one was thinner. So that's easy to identify, but also because we had a tape on one side, so we know where exactly we have to connect it on the speaker. All this might differ with your setup, but it's almost the same, you will understand. Now it is all ready with the extended wire, and we're gonna place it. Now the installation. On our chair, we have this metallic base, so we'll just use the magnet to set the speaker. We can set it anywhere we want at the back, but the idle place is in front. If you don't have a metallic base, then you can use a metal strip. Make sure it is iron so that the magnet can stick to it. That's it. That's the simplest one. Now to use these haptics and the speaker, use 3.5 audio jack splitter and put both the connections to it, to the main source. Because they are amplifiers, they will work fine. Now it's time to test it, so let's switch it on. When we switch it on, we can use the bass or the volume to set the haptics or effects. There you are. That's the vibration you'll get to have your Buttkicker functioning good. Thank you for watching. It's DIY Buttkicker, simple, fast, and easy for home simulators and home theaters.